Are you over 60 and waking up with less energy, feeling slower, stiffer, or not quite yourself down there? That's not just aging. It's a sign your blood flow, especially in the lower body, is starting to decline. But here's the good news. Doctors are now recommending a simple fruit, nicknamed the bedroom fruit, that naturally boosts morning circulation without pills or side effects. In this video, I'll show you what it is, how it works, and how to use it right. And if you stick with me until the end, I'll reveal 3 common habits that secretly block blood flow, no matter what you eat.
Hello, I'm Dr. Hale, with over 30 years of experience in the field of geriatrics and preventative medicine for the health of the elderly. Today, I will discuss with you, if you're over 60 and you've started noticing a difference in your energy, your strength, or even in your intimacy, especially in the morning, you're not alone. Many of my patients come in quietly concerned, wondering if something is wrong or if it's just part of getting older. And while aging does play a role, I want to share something hopeful with you today, because sometimes a powerful solution can be surprisingly simple. Let me introduce you to what some doctors and researchers affectionately call the bedroom fruit. It's not exotic, it's not expensive, and it's not a pill. It's watermelon. Yes, watermelon. That sweet, juicy fruit you probably enjoyed every summer of your life. Turns out, it's loaded with a natural compound called citrulline, and citrulline has a very special job inside your body. When you eat watermelon, your body converts citrulline into another substance called arginine, which is the building block of nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is essential for healthy blood flow. It helps relax and open up your blood vessels, allowing oxygen-rich blood to flow freely, especially to the areas where circulation is most important in the morning. That's why some researchers compare it to a natural Viagra, but without the prescription, the cost, or the side effects. Instead of forcing the body into an artificial response, watermelon gently supports what your body is already trying to do: circulate, repair, and connect. Even better, watermelon is low in sugar, hydrating, and supports kidney health, which is especially important as we age. Many of my patients find that when they begin adding a serving of watermelon into their morning routine, they feel more refreshed, more energized, and even more connected to their partners. And I want that for you too. This isn't about chasing youth. It's about working with your body, not against it, giving it the tools it needs to keep functioning beautifully and naturally, no matter what age you are. So if you're looking for a simple, doctor-recommended way to support your blood flow and vitality, I encourage you to give this a try. It's safe, it's natural, and it's one small step toward feeling better every single morning. And if you found this helpful, please take a moment to like and share this video. Someone else your age might be struggling silently and need this information too.
In our last conversation, I introduced you to what many now call the bedroom fruit, watermelon, and how something so simple, so familiar, can have a powerful impact on your circulation, especially in the morning. But I know many of you are like me. You want to understand the why behind the advice. You want to know that it's not just trendy or hearsay, but backed by real science. And I respect that. So let's take a look at what research tells us about watermelon and the compounds inside it that are helping seniors feel better naturally. One of the most compelling studies comes from Texas A&M University. Researchers there discovered that watermelon contains high levels of citrulline, a natural amino acid. And when citrulline enters the body, it converts into another compound called arginine. Now, why is that important? Because arginine helps your body produce something called nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a critical role in relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. In fact, the researchers at Texas A&M found that watermelon's effects on blood vessel dilation are strikingly similar to certain medications used for erectile dysfunction, but without the risk of side effects, drug interactions, or overdependence. Another study published in the Journal of Urology confirmed these findings, showing that arginine and citrulline, both naturally occurring in watermelon, support nitric oxide production, which is essential for maintaining blood flow to the heart, brain, and yes, even the pelvic region. So, what happens when you regularly include watermelon in your diet? Well, based on additional findings, you may notice improved endothelial function. That's the inner lining of your blood vessels becoming more flexible and responsive. Better blood pressure control. As vessels open and relax, your heart doesn't have to work as hard. Enhanced pelvic circulation, which can support not only physical intimacy, but also urinary function, mobility, and morning energy. And remember, this is all happening from a fruit you already know and enjoy. No prescriptions, no chemicals, just a natural boost working with your body's own systems. I've had patients in their 60s, 70s, even 80s tell me they're surprised by how much better they feel after just a few weeks of including watermelon in their routine. More energy, better sleep, improved confidence. It's not a miracle, it's science and consistency. So, if you've been wondering whether this bedroom fruit is really worth trying, the evidence is clear. It's a simple step with serious benefits. Now that you know why watermelon is so powerful, let's talk about how to use it the right way so you get the most benefit with the least effort. Because here's the truth. Even something as natural and good as watermelon needs to be used with intention. And just a few simple adjustments can make a big difference in how your body absorbs and responds to it. Let's start with when to eat it. The best time? First thing in the morning, ideally on an empty stomach. That's when your body is most ready to absorb nutrients and your digestive system isn't competing with other foods. Think of it as giving your circulation system a clean, fresh start to the day. Now, how should you take it? There are a few excellent options, and I encourage you to choose the one that fits your lifestyle best. Fresh watermelon slices, about 2 cups is a great serving size. Easy, hydrating, and delicious. 100% watermelon juice. Just make sure it's unsweetened and not from concentrate. Or try something a little different. A small pinch of natural salt, like Celtic or Himalayan salt, on your watermelon. It enhances absorption and helps balance your electrolytes, especially after sleep. But while watermelon is incredibly helpful, there are a few things to avoid. Try not to pair it with sugary cereals, muffins, or heavy breakfasts. That combination can spike your blood sugar and cancel out some of the benefits you're aiming for. And please don't be fooled by watermelon-flavored products, candies, drinks, or powders. They don't contain citrulline, and they're often loaded with sugar or artificial ingredients. This is about giving your body something real, something clean, and something it knows how to use. I want you to feel empowered, not overwhelmed. Starting your day with a bowl of watermelon is a small act of self-care, but it can lead to bigger changes in how you feel, move, and connect. You matter. Your health matters. And sometimes all it takes is one good habit at the right time of day.
Hello again, it's Dr. Hale. Now that you know how and when to enjoy watermelon for better morning circulation, I'd like to share a few gentle habits that can amplify its benefits, especially when practiced together. These aren't complicated. They don't require a gym or fancy equipment, just a little bit of intention and a little love for the body that's carried you through so much. Let's begin with something simple. Walking. Morning walks. Just 20 minutes. A light 20-minute walk in the morning is one of the best ways to wake up your blood flow. It activates circulation to your legs, your heart, and your pelvic area. And when your blood is moving, your body responds better to nitric oxide, the very compound that watermelon helps produce. You don't need to power walk, just move at a pace that feels good. Fresh air, gentle movement, it's medicine for your entire system. 2. Hydration with electrolytes. Next, let's talk about hydration. Watermelon on its own is hydrating, but when you add a small pinch of Celtic or Himalayan salt, you help your body absorb it more efficiently. This supports fluid balance, heart health, and nerve function, especially first thing in the morning when the body is often low on electrolytes. It's a simple tweak, but it can make a big difference in how your body uses what you feed it. 3. Morning deep breathing, the 4-7-8 technique. Finally, take a few minutes before or after your walk to breathe deeply. I recommend the 4-7-8 technique. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. This practice boosts oxygen and helps release nitric oxide through your nasal passages. It also lowers cortisol, the stress hormone that can interfere with testosterone and circulation. Just 2 to 3 rounds in the morning can help you feel calmer, stronger, and more balanced. Each of these habits alone is helpful, but together they create a foundation for real, lasting vitality.
By now you've learned that improving morning circulation isn't just about adding helpful habits, it's also about gently avoiding the ones that work against your body's natural rhythm. So in this final part, I want to help you understand a few common mistakes that many people over 60 make, often without realizing how much they're holding their bodies back. Let's walk through the 3 biggest morning habits that can quietly block blood flow, especially down there, and how to fix them with small, loving adjustments. 1. High-sugar breakfasts. I know how comforting a sweet pastry, muffin, or bowl of sugary cereal can feel in the morning. But here's what happens inside your body when you start your day with sugar. Your blood sugar spikes, then insulin kicks in to bring it down, and that sudden rise and fall can actually lower testosterone, the very hormone your body needs for strength, focus, and healthy intimacy. High sugar also increases inflammation in the blood vessels, making it harder for blood to flow smoothly to where it's needed most. What to do instead? Start with protein and fiber, like eggs, oats, chia seeds, or plain Greek yogurt. These foods support stable energy and steady blood flow without the crash. 2. Morning dehydration. After a full night's sleep, your body is naturally low on fluids, and when we don't rehydrate in the morning, our blood becomes thicker, slowing down oxygen delivery to the muscles, brain, and yes, the pelvic area. The fix? Begin your day with a glass of water, or better yet, a hydrating food like watermelon. Add a pinch of natural salt to help your cells absorb the fluid more effectively. You'll notice better focus, steadier blood pressure, and improved morning energy. 3. Lack of movement after waking. When we wake up and stay seated, reading, scrolling, or sipping coffee on the couch, blood tends to pool in the lower legs, and that means less circulation to your heart, your brain, and your pelvic region. Even just 15 to 20 minutes of gentle movement, walking, stretching, or breathing outdoors can help wake up your circulation and prime your body for the day ahead. Final thought. These aren't about giving things up, they're about giving your body the best conditions to thrive. With just a few small shifts, less sugar, more hydration, and a little movement, you're clearing the path for better circulation, stronger vitality, and a deeper sense of well-being.
Well, my friend, if you've made it this far, I want to take a moment to thank you. Thank you for caring about your health. Thank you for staying curious. And thank you for showing up for yourself, because that matters more than you know. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've learned. Watermelon. It's not just a summertime treat. It's what many now call the bedroom fruit, and for good reason. It's rich in citrulline, a natural compound that helps your body produce nitric oxide, the molecule that keeps your blood vessels open, your circulation strong, and your energy flowing to the places that matter most.
What's beautiful about watermelon is that it supports your body naturally. No pills, no harsh side effects. Just a little help from nature to restore what time may have taken away. But it doesn't stop there. When you combine that morning serving of watermelon with a few gentle daily habits, like a short walk, a glass of water with a pinch of salt, and a few minutes of deep breathing, you're giving your body the tools it needs to rebuild, repair, and revive itself. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. I want to leave you with this thought. Your body isn't broken. It's just been waiting for the right support. Start your day with a spoonful of nature's best and give your circulation a fighting chance. You've earned the right to feel strong, connected, and confident, no matter your age. And before you go, if this message helped you, please give it a like and share it with someone you care about. Drop a comment below if you've ever tried watermelon for energy or intimacy. I'd love to hear your story. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly doctor-backed tips to help you age powerfully every day. Take good care. You matter. And your best years still have so much to offer.